first started teaching here, I learned and understood the importance of that mural, even as it was deteriorating over time and buildings were being renovated and new buildings were being created and the landscape was changing, but that mural always stood there, and as soon as you walked into that area, that was what you saw.
There's definitely a level of pressure in that you want to honor the artwork and keep it to its original state. I feel that it's so important to preserve our history, our culture, our story, and like long-standing beliefs and like wisdom from so many people before us. I feel a huge responsibility and I feel honored in preserving it.
To restore this mural is preserving the history of a lot of Hispanic students here at City College, because this is a Hispanic serving institution, and I feel like we have a duty to protect these stories and also respect how far we have come and progressed. So I feel like it's important to have these stories be told and be presented in a visual art style such as a mural.
The key is that we had student artists who were attending City College and would participate in painting the mural. It does represent something. It represents the tenaciousness of the students involved at that time.
It's an icon that validates that sense that we belong here and that we're part of the history of this institution. So when I heard that it was finally going to be restored, I was very appreciative of that, because I think we need to be reminded of our history. We need to be reminded of our culture. We need to be reminded of our right to be here, and we need to celebrate that.